Start to retail season here in the U.S., let's first look at what consumers say they spent as tracked by Gallup. Shoppers spent 22% more than they had during this holiday weekend 1 year ago. However, let's keep a level head here. These figures are still 18% lower than they were in 2008, which wasn't even a banner year for Black Friday and our famous spending weekend. Gallup data suggested that while U.S. shoppers intend to spend more this Christmas season than they had last year, overall, consumers remain frugal in our new economy, which is why retail marketers must fight for their share of that consumer wallet. Looking at the data from the Retailers Register, ShopperTrack estimated that in-store sales, they were about the same as last year, $20.5 billion. Heavy discounting played a role in holding growth rates to the flat line, but it was also responsible for attracting more shoppers. Foot traffic was up 3%. NRF estimated spending across all retail and food sectors, both in-store and online, grew 9% to $45 billion, and they also observed that about 14 in 100 shoppers were out buying jewelry over the weekend. That's up from 12% last year. Online sales, of course, is where the growth continues. ComScore tells us Thanksgiving Day sales were up 28%, Black Friday up 9%, and Cyber Monday up 16%. The feeling again is very heavy promotions going on, attracting shoppers to click and spend. Sales increased as shoppers spent more on Cyber Monday in particular because the number of those who did shop only rose 4%. IBM Core Metrics found that jewelry was a winner on Cyber Monday as sales across the luxury category increased, and specifically the average price points per order for jewelry rose 39%. In line with the marketing trends observed all year long, the big cash-rich retailers are gaining market share. Brand Keys listed the most visited online retailers for Cyber Monday, giving Amazon top spot, followed by Walmart and Target. Other diamond retailers in the top 10 included Kohl's, Overstock, QVC, JCPenney, and Macy's. And we know all of those retailers have dramatically increased their online marketing spend. In other news, a high-level delegation from Botswana visited Israel this week to build investment interest for a number of industries, diamonds of course, but also water and agro-technology, infrastructure, alternative energy, and high-tech. Our Aubrey Krawitz filed this report from Ramadan.
Botswana is a developing country, and we produce diamonds mainly. That's the driver of our economy. However, we want to diversify our economy from diamonds. And because we have a small population of just under 2 million people, we are also desirous to find markets for goods, other goods, diamonds and goods other than diamonds manufactured in Botswana, to find markets elsewhere in the world. We think that Israel has got tremendous potential for Botswana goods, and we have been having discussions at both government and investment and trade levels. As far as the diamond sector is concerned, Israel has got a very strong diamond manufacturing sector, and we can learn a lot in terms of technologies and new methods. And therefore we think that a strong link can exist in other areas as well, but especially in the diamond sector, as Botswana strives to set up a strong, vibrant, full value-adding chain in the diamond sector.
Here is a look at precious metals prices this past week. For all the latest industry news, be sure to check diamonds.net.